Ding, 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 ding. Next patient. Ding, ding,
Is
ding,
that
ding,
a parrot?
ding. Next patient. Come on, people.
Oh my. What on
Dr.
earth?
Polly on duty.
Is this real?
Apparently. Next. Ding, ding.
Very dangerous. Too much biryani.
Sorry.
Mal.
Is that you?
Beep, beep.
Huh. No, don't do that.
Beep, beep.
I don't even. Psst. Oh, come on.
Beep.
Who called police? Did that bird just talk?
I think it yelled at us.
Hold position.
Fighter, Unit 3 to Central, subject fleeing northbound.
What the?
Requesting backup, double code 3.
Is that coming from
All
your
units
radio?
code green.
Wait, cancel
What
that!
is going on?
Suspect in a hoodie.
Hey, hold up!
It's not real.
You are under arrest for being late.
Guess I'm guilty, huh?
Guilty.
Hey, that's my uncle!
Whoa! Did that bird just yell?
I think it did.
Stop this operation.
Huh?
Look at that! It's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, cake patient safe.
Thanks, Doc.
He's straight up stealing your cake, man.
Let him miss his party now.
Take it, officer.
I'm trying. These hips don't have a permit.
Hey, you got frosting on your beef. Best dressed guest, hands down.
Sunglasses stay on.
Clear the way! VIP patient coming!
What in the
Make
world?
space, please.
Royal patient, make way!
Is that a parrot?
Thank you, loyal subjects! To the royal suite! Service here is impeccable! Prepare the throne!
Lunch break extended, because I said so. Oh my gosh, did it just...
Best announcement ever. We're obeying the parrot now.
Surprise ride!
Whoa! What the? Ah! Hold on.
Welcome to my second office. Did that bird just talk? Uh-huh.
This is the plan.
Dramatic pause.
I don't know the plan.
All right.
Let's go.
Evidence.
I did nothing! Wow!
What was that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, where'd it come from? You kidding me?
It's the bird.
Unbelievable. You made me jump out of my skin, buddy.
No comment. Okay, many comments. Trains late, seeds stale. Fix both, please.
Question.
What's causing the delay?
Security being increased.
One at a time. I'm not a flock.
Grateful for your attention. I need a cracker.
So how has the community responded to... Oh, okay.
Everybody loves me. Yes, sir. Bird right now. Woo! Everybody. Good bird. Good vibes. We're good. That's cake. Thank you.
That answers that, I guess.
Your heart is scared of me.
Oh, that's good.
Not
It's just cake.
Yeah, work that cupcake. Let's get fancy with it. Perfect.
Subscribe, or I'll become your doctor and your police.